I wanted to do a project pan update number 4 for you guys. I've been doing so good on my project pan. I did break my no buy. It was actually a low buy from the beginning, so I don't feel bad about breaking it because it wasn't supposed to be a no buy. It was supposed to be a low buy. So I did break it. If you guys saw my Odin's Eye unboxing, that's what I broke it for. I bought a mystery box, but that's the only thing I bought. Other than that, I have not bought not one single thing. There are a few things that have been calling my name. I've been wanting to film more of my, like, why I'm not buying stuff. I just haven't had time to. So let me know if you guys like that style of video that I was doing, like why I wasn't buying stuff or things that I have similar to those things. I feel like some of you guys really like that video, but it just, you know, it's kind of hard to film some of those things because I'm short on time, and now my son's gonna be off from school for the summer, so now I'm really not gonna have time over the summer, so we'll see. But anyways, let's jump into Project Pan update number 4. And I used up another product. I'm so excited. I used up the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Base. I love this. I love the smell of it. I know not everybody loves her products because she does have like a specific smell to her products, and I actually enjoy it, but a lot of people feel like it's overwhelming, and I can see where some people feel like it's overwhelming, but I really enjoyed this. It gave like a really dewiness to the skin and also gave like a really nice canvas to the skin, and I really highly enjoyed this. This is something that I would actually repurchase, and it's a moisturizing makeup base, really nice. And yeah, I pumped this until it pumped no more, and I have replaced this because this is a rolling project pan. I have replaced this with another primer. So this is the second primer that I finished this year, and this one is the third one that I'm going to start is called the Farsali Liquid Glass. This is another one that I've had in my collection for quite some time, and I started a little while ago, so you see the little red line from where I started. This one is very hydrating. It gives a really nice dewy skin appearance, and it is a radiant makeup skin serum. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well. I really love just keeping my skin plump, very hydrated and dewy appearance to it, so I thought I'd go ahead and incorporate this one in. So this one's going bye-bye, and I'm so proud of myself for like really sticking to this and really using up products and like really, you know, seeing that I can do this. Next up is my Urban Decay All-Nighter. This sucker's still holding on for dear life, but it is down to here. It's to the very end. I think by my next update this will be gone and another one will be in, but it's basically down, like I can feel it. It's down to like probably like less than half an inch of the end of this. And I absolutely love the All-Nighter. That's a makeup spray that I have purchased time and time again. It's very long wearing for your makeup. Really great one if you're looking for something to make your makeup last all day. Next up is the Too Faced Do You. This sucker has also, like you can see from the beginning to now, it's at its last leg, but I've been mixing this in. This is also kind of like one of those dewy kind of primers. I've been also mixing it in with foundations to make them a little bit more dewier and a little bit more, you know, more natural looking and more just like shimmery, and to give more of that glow to a foundation. I really love this. It has a watermelon smell to it. Really love it. It's a luminous face primer. And this is something that I would also repurchase, but if you guys, and soon my declutter will be, it's either up already or you guys, it's probably already up by the time this video goes up. You will see my primer drawer is insane, so I need to really use these up. And yeah, so if I was ever to repurchase, I would repurchase this. I really love that like luminosity. It's something that I have underneath my foundation today. I love that like glow to that it gives to my skin, so really great one. Next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation that I've been trying to use up. Because I don't necessarily just use this, I have been mixing it with other foundations. It has been taking me longer to use it up, but as you can see, it's been slow but steady. I am down to here now, but I do have a lot of other foundations. So if you see my flat lays, I've been doing like Project Pan flat lays over on Instagram. If you haven't followed me, you can follow me down below. My link is in the down bar. I have been mixing this with other foundations, see what works. Sometimes it works with other things and sometimes it doesn't. I've been using it by itself, and then there's times where I'm like, okay, I need to wear something else, and I'll pick something else from my stash and use it. So not necessarily I use this every single day, but this is the oldest foundation that I have, so I do want to try to use it up as much as possible, and that's where we're at. And it does give a luminous, beautiful, like natural looking skin, so really enjoy it. Next thing from my Project Pan is my Smashbox powder. This one, I don't know if last time I put the dot right here. As you can see, it's slightly moved a little bit more up, but not anything major. I feel like lately I've been trying to make this, the height of it go down compared to the width of it. So little by little, absolutely love the Smashbox powders. They are absolutely amazing. If you've seen any of my Project Pans before, you know I absolutely live by the Smashbox powders. And then last, I don't know if I had talked about this in my last one, but I have been incorporating the Hourglass little trio as well, especially these two shades. This one I know because it's a highlight. I don't think I'll ever hit pan on it, but this one I think that I've done a lot of progress. I've definitely seen where the this inner corner here has gone in, and I've been using this to really set the foundation at the end, like just dust it all over. I love the glow it gives to my skin, and this is called the what is this one called? The Radiant Light. Yeah, Radiant Light. That color is just absolutely stunning to just set all over your face. It just kind of gives like that J-Lo glow to your skin. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I've been using this one as well for a bronzer. It's actually what I have underneath the Ciate Dewy blush is the Dim Light by Hourglass. So I've been using this one and like really bringing the dome down. I don't feel like you can actually appreciate it as much, but I have been seeing the progress myself, so I feel like I'm doing really good on this one as well. So yeah, those are my updates. Really proud of myself for using up another product, so yay! And just be able to incorporate something else in. And I want to try to do an eyeshadow palette, but if you see my Instagram, you see that I've been trying to just use different eyeshadow palettes, but it's so freaking hard because I'm like, how do these people pan palettes? Do they only have a few palettes? Because I have like close to 100 palettes, if not more. So I don't see a way of panning a palette. If you have over 100 palettes and you pan palettes, let me know. Let me know down below, how the hell do you do it? Anyways, that is it for this update. Thank you guys so much. If you do project pans and you have a channel, leave it down below. I want to follow other people who do these. I follow a few people, but I wish I had like a community to follow of people where we could support each other and stuff like that. Or you know, if you do like flat lays with your makeup looks and stuff like that, something similar to what I do, leave me your Instagram if you follow me. I'd love to follow you back. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.